Guessing to get me off now.
He can do it, we can do it.
It's like that,
Yeah, don't be cruel on your way up onto something like this.
Why? You taking a piss out of it?
Yeah, you don't. Don't look down. Oh, sorry.
Cheater, hopefully.
I don't know, it's cheater behind us. Is that there, the waterfall?
Oh look, the log flames off.
I think it's shut. They had like a green fence around it.
Yeah, I didn't even. I'll be honest, I forgot all about that.
Oh my god, it's further.
Look, they've got their own water park as well.
Still hold on though.
No, don't hold on.
You have to.
You don't.
You do?
It's not law.
Keeps you at the top for ages.
If you fell out of it, holding on.
Carly,
to it
shut
as
up.
well.
Michael does the slap.
There's no
mate.
surviving there.
Go on, mate. Hey!
Yeah, there's no surviving that.
No, he's a fuck.
All the blood rushes to my head.
Oh.
I can't remember it going up like that.
Oh my god!
I love that.
Oh. Whew. This is tight, this now.
Oh, I did. My mouth was like,
What did you
go good.
shout?
Like that, and it went
Oh my god.
I really enjoyed it. I just don't